Good morning, my awesome friends. It's shopping haul time, and it is shopping haul time at HomeGoods again. I did get a couple of things on sale, and I wanted to do an ocean theme tablescape, and I think I finally found enough pieces to do it. This will probably be put up on Tea Tuesday. I got these beautiful placemats. They were $7.99. I got them on clearance at $6, and there is 6 of them, so they cost me $1 a piece. That isn't bad. And what they're tied up with, I think we can figure out something to do with that too. I guess I'll have to get with my daughter and see what she thinks we can make out of it. You know, it's always good to do a DIY project that doesn't cost very much or free. Then I saw these beautiful bowls, and they have a seahorse on them. Are they not beautiful? And then I found these plates. These I can use for more than one post, and those are the best kind. It isn't that it has to be a beach theme. It could be anything. But doesn't it look beautiful? I was very happy, but it still goes with a seahorse too. Then I found this beautiful tray. Isn't it gorgeous? I still, maybe next year, will try to get a few more accessories to go with this under the sea tablescape. But we'll see what I can find and do. I think that sounds like a great title, Under the Sea Tablescape. Remind myself that is what I want to call it. But isn't this beautiful? Look at the beautiful, vibrant colors. I loved it. So that could be for the center of my table. I only do tablescapes for 2, and I can do 2. But there is enough to do a tablescape for 4. There's 4 bowls, and there's 4 plates. So if I had company over, guess what? I could actually set a table with this. I'm pretty happy. The blue isn't quite the same blue, but I thought I could use my white charger plates on top of this blue and give a little more contrast. What do you think? Do you think I was crazy, or do you think it will work? Or maybe what we also could do, that starfish is a bright orange. We might be able to even use the orange instead. That does sound like a pretty good idea, doesn't it? Let's see how it looks on top of the orange. You know something? I think I like it. What do you think? We do have the orange in the starfish. And I think this orange does go pretty good. Let's put the plates on and see how they look. I think I'm actually shocked that I like it so much. And then when you come up here and you see the starfish, it all works together. I think what makes it work is that starfish being orange. I would have never thought of it looking that good together. Give me a comment, see what you think. I do love the way the starfish looks and my crab over here. And then you come over here and you see the wonderful seahorse. And don't they look wonderful together? Yep, the more I'm looking at it, I think I'm not going to use the blue placemats after all. I think I'm going to use the orange. And I bet if I look around my house, you know how I always say shop the house, I may have some more orange pieces to use. And there are the plates sitting on top of these orange placemats. Oh my gosh, I love it a lot. Maybe because I also have a little brown along the edges of these plates. Maybe that's why. And then the serving plate right here has some brown in it too, if you look close. Yep, the more I look at it, the more I love it. I guess I'll use those blue ones for something else, because truthfully, I like the orange. Sometimes we buy something and we don't realize we like it the way this way. Yep, this is how I'm going to make it, now that I notice how much I love it. Okay, I also want to share what else I got. Well, I happened to see these beautiful cups, and I thought they'd be great for my tea in my cozy corner setup. What do you think? And as you look close, you can see there's lots of oranges and greens. And I thought it turned out so pretty. This was $12.99, and it included the stand, and it includes the 4 cups. And they're pretty generous size. Then I saw these beautiful little plates. It was hard to make a decision because they had some round ones a little bit bigger that would have probably been nicer in one way, but these were so much prettier, and they are gorgeous. Now, the placemats were on sale for $6, but I paid full price for everything else. Are these not the most beautiful things? I love them. I can't wait to get busy putting displays together. So all 3 are going in a one display together. But I know you guys just watched me have a little short display for Day of the Dead, and I ran across another wonderful piece. I forgot to mention, I thought this was a very nice setup. There is 4 coffee cups right here and 4 little dishes for treats. Won't this look good in the cozy corner for a tea station? Oh, I can't wait to do a wonderful tea station with these pieces. Now, let's see what else Grandma has. Well, this was my last piece that I picked up at HomeGoods. Oh my gosh, this was one of my favorites. It's a beautiful cup I can use it for Tea Tuesday or use it in my cozy corner for a nice tea station. And of course, I just got a new piece at the Goodwill for the Day of the Dead, and this kitty looks like he would go perfect for that theme. What do you think? And I have these beautiful orange table placemats I think will work perfect too. So I think we have about 3 different displays we can put together with what I bought today. We have a nice pumpkin and fall display for the cozy corner. We have a nice ocean scene also for the tablescape Tuesday, this coming Tuesday. So I'm pretty happy. Now I'm going to take some pictures for a slideshow and tell you how much I paid for everything. So please stay tuned and watch. And don't forget, if you enjoy the content on this channel, please give us a thumbs up. Think about joining us, and we put something new and different up every day. So you never know what you're going to find on this channel, and we always try to find something new and different and interesting.